Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Deck. This is the first video of my HTML crash course series. So, as I said in the intro of this series, that we'll need a text editor and a web browser. Everyone already have a web browser in their laptops, computers and Mac, but we'll need to download text editor. I will be using Sublime Text 3, which is the latest version of Sublime Text. You can also download Sublime Text 2 and Sublime Text 1. So let's get started. So, as you can see here, I already have Sublime Text 3, so I'm not going to download it again, but I'll quickly show you guys how to do it. So we'll type in Sublime Text 3 download, tap here, and click free download for Windows, and then it will download automatically. Okay, so now we have to make a new folder. So I'll go in new and then folder. We'll name it HTML. Okay, and then we have to drag this folder to Sublime Text 3. Now you have to click Control Save and then go to desktop, go to HTML, open, write index.html and click save. Okay, so now I have index.html. So there's a really helpful key in this Sublime Text that when you type in HTML and click tab, it will give you the basic structure of the HTML. So first comes the doc type, which is the latest one. It is for HTML5, and then the opening and ending tags of HTML. Then comes the head, and inside head comes the title, and after the head comes the body. Okay, so we'll close this, open HTML file, and now my default browser is Chrome. But if your default browser is something else, or if it is not what you want it to be, you can change it by clicking on it and open, and then you can choose default program and you can change it. Okay, so let's open this. So it's totally blank because I didn't put any code in my Sublime Text 3. So I'll make them put side by side so you can see what's happening. Okay, so what we type inside here will come in the tab name. So I'll type HTML cheat sheet. Okay, save that, then reload, and there you go, you get HTML cheat sheet. So after that, in head I'll put a comment. So comments don't reflect what's happening here, but it's just for self-knowledge that you know where are the headings and where are the paragraphs, so you can change them later on. So I'll close this and then put the heading tag. So H1 to H6 are the heading tags. Okay, so H1 is the biggest and H6 is the smallest. Just a sec. H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay, I need to save that, and then now I'll put in between h1. You can put anything, but for now I'm putting h1, h2, h3 and h4 and h5, h3, h4 and h5. To do that, do h6 too. Okay, remove the space. Okay, save that, then reload, and there you go. H1 is the biggest and h6 is the smallest. Okay, so after the headings comes the paragraph. So we'll do the paragraph inside the body. Okay, so for paragraph 2 we have to put a comment. Comments are not necessary, but it's really good for self-use. So I'll put paragraphs, then close it. Okay, so paragraph 1 is really easy. You just have to put P and then tab. That's it. So Sublime Text 3 has an sample paragraph. So for that you have to write lorem and then tab. So you'll get a paragraph. So we'll do 2 paragraphs. Lorem and then tab. So now I have left no space in between the 2 paragraphs, but when I reload it, there will be automatically some space between them, and there are 2 separate paragraphs. Okay, so after that we'll insert an image. So we'll put a comment, img. Okay, so for that we need to download a sample image. So let's type sample image. Okay, so I will download this one. Save images. So we'll go to desktop, go to HTML, open it, and then put sample and then save it. So it's saved. Now I have to go there, type image, then click tab, type image and then click tab, and then I can see here that it's sample.jpg. So you need to put the exact same name here, otherwise it wouldn't come. Okay, so I have to write sample.jpg and then save it, and then I will open it in HTML. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so now the image came, but it's really big. So okay, so the thing is that we can't change the size in HTML. For that you have to do CSS, we have to add CSS, but this is the HTML crash course, so I will not do any CSS in this. But for that I'm uploading a new video. There will be a new series called CSS crash course, so in that we'll learn all that. Okay, so after this we'll put lists, put the tag of lists. Okay, I'm putting another comment now, lists, but we'll not do lists today, but there will be 6 parts of this HTML crash course series, so don't forget to subscribe to watch more of these videos and learn HTML totally in just 2 weeks. These are the basic HTML in which you can totally make a website, but you have to put CSS and JavaScript too. but this is not advanced HTML, but I will be getting on to that really soon. But let me warn you that there will be no advanced HTML tags in this series, but I will make another separate video for advanced HTML tags. Bye for now. Meet you next Saturday. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and comment down below what queries I should solve.